500 days old.
Here, come on, choke up, let's go.
Hit the ball.
Hit the ball, Bobby.
Maybe we better bring the tee to him. See if I hit back? Send it back to Daddy. Let's hit the ball to Daddy. 2 hands.
Hit it, buddy. Yeah.
No,
You calling your shot?
Airplane going away. Oh, he sees, look at that, he sees that airplane.
Hit the ball. Hit the ball.
All right.
Okay,
Now go on the bases. There you go.
Good job.
we're going to feed it into the ground. Well, that was a good swing. Good.
Good hack, buddy.
Okay, here, try again. Try to do it all by yourself. I'll get out of the way.
You gotta,
Get it-
whoa,
yeah.
Jesus.
Just gotta get the...
Get his grip.
Hold it.
Yeah, help him with the grip first.
Come on, right hand on top. Come on, pal.
There we go.
Okay, now it's fine.
Oh, that was it. Try again.
Here, try this one.